Isipin nyo, he did evil in the sight of the Lord as Manasseh, his father, had done. Kapareho na ugali ni Manasseh. Ammon sacrificed to all the carved images.
もういいよ。でも講義の時はうとうとしないでよね。そんなことしたらドリームリーフ送りになっちゃうかもだから。
無駄話はそこ。
How do I say it? It was called a lighthouse. It was called a guiding light, something that other countries could emulate. So in keeping with that, Secretary, we're already...
Intindihan natin, parang wala nang takot sa Diyos. Napansin nyo ba yun? Parang bakit ko nasabi? Alam niyo, when God says something, He will surely do it. Tingnan niyo, kaya sila, nung narinig niya, sabi niya, ito. Kaya nga ho, nawalan ako ng ganan manood ngayon masyadong basketball kasi doon traveling sa amin, magluwagpas ka na ng isang step, traveling na eh. Ngayon, ang dami na tinakbo eh. Mula half court hanggang sa, naglilita ka na sa kasalanan, malaya ka na. Yes, nagkakasala pa rin tayo, pero hindi natin kailangan sumunod dyan. Kaya nating tanggihan yan kung talagang magdidepend tayo sa Diyos. Now, ito sabi niya, for what the law could
signature light cone, which gives break effect and action forward, but nobody has the money for that right now because we all bought Metaphor ReFantagio. Hello, this is a pause to remind you to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I can wait for you to click the button, it's fine.
Causing significant damage, it is no match to the more ancient polygonal construction method, where the stone blocks were not only significantly larger, but were also fitted much more precisely.
Doon pa lang eh. Teka muna, ano ba yung relationship mo? Kay God ba yan o para sa iyong sarili? Nakukuha natin? Oh, bukod pa doon,
lahat, yung mga close physical and intimate contact, medyo bawas-bawasan po muna natin. Or we can have intimate contact with those who are intimate with us. Yung ating mga esposo, ganyan, ating mga partners. Pero wag ho muna
rescue, and we can have those data when they would be back in their offices and do the reports. But as soon as they are available, we will try to communicate them.
$200,000 family food pack at ready tayo i-supply yan.
Okay, maraming salamat po, DSWD Secretary Rex Gatchalian. Ingat po kayo.
Maraming salamat, Igan. Magandang umaga.
This was a time so ancient that the sea level and the waters surrounding Japan weren't even there. But does that mean there may be more megalithic structures on the seabed near Japan?
Ay nandoon at matingkad ang papel, no? Ayon sa zinc analysis na yon, matingkad ang papel ng dalawang Canada, si Crescente Canada na ayon sa
meals and cookies and supplements. Na masarap rin, by the way, kasi baka isipin ng mga tao, pag ma-nutritious, hindi masarap. DOST has perfected the art of delivery.
Isa ka bang artista, singer, vlogger? Surprise guest, ikaw ba ay isang artista?
Pwede.
Politiko?
If you've enjoyed this documentary and would like to see more high-quality content, please consider supporting our work and dedicated team of researchers. Your
muna sa kanilang mga hotel. Maluwag din po yung kalsada dahil wala ring pasok ngayon dito yung government offices at mga paaralan. Ayon kay Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong, wala pang na
As part of our ASEAN cooperation.
Maricel Halili, TV5.
Good morning, Sir Director.
To save us. Kaya nga iniwan niya yung comfort of heaven para ikaw at ako ay maligtas. Siyang namatay sa krus. Wala tayong ginawa.
ママって何を言ってるの？
わかった。ファミリーの艦隊に感謝する。とりあえず、俺たち3人のチェック。
faces indicate that this was a sacred area reserved for individuals of high status or spiritual significance. Strangely, similar sites can be found on
Filipino manufacturers na ngayon bibili ng DSWD at ilalagay doon sa ready-to-eat food boxes natin. This November, ilo-launch namin yon, papakita namin, then we will now start the procurement process.
Ang security namin nandito. Kaya minsan akala natin, ako wala akong Diyos-Diyosan, wala akong ibang sinasamba. Hindi totoo yan. Kasi minsan, Kung saan yung security mo, yun ang Diyos mo. Ma-economize ang energy. Naunawaan po. Kaya kung kayo po'y nagbabalak, remember this, you are called by God to use that influence just like
根は逃げる。
自信があるみたいさあ。
Quezon City, EJ Gomez para sa GMA Integrated News. Kanya-kanya naman pong diskarte ang mga motorista para hindi
If he truly abandoned the vessel, he could be charged for abandoning the vessel.
Sir, may reported na po ba mga ports na damage?
Yes, there are several.
Despite their massive size, little is known about the Kofuns. Because Kofuns are associated with Japan's mythological first emperors, archaeologists are not permitted.
I'm sure Silverwolf and Rappa have their grievances, since one character's gimmick became another one's default. Whole tomb is attributed to the Nuragic civilization, which is one of the Mediterranean's most ancient cultures that existed around 4,000 years ago. Another reach high speeds and brake effect on.
Dikta sa'yo ng iyong kasalukuyan. Okay? Nagkakaintindihan? Wag na wag. O, upo na tayo ngayon. Ayan, ito na ang kasalukuyan mo. Gising. At ating sa aming mga anak. Mula nung bata sila, hindi namin sila laging buhat-buhat. Hindi pa, kawawa naman yung bata. Iiyak na dada.
Planeta sa Quezon City kagabi. Malakas ang paglagasa ng baha sa kalsada na di na nadaanan ng mga motorista. Nagbaha rin sa E. Rodriguez Corner, G. Araneta kagabi. Ilang sasakyan ang naiwan na lang nakapark.
宴の星やはり抜かりがないな致し方ないベッドを借りるかごめん
Still doing rescue, and we can have those data when they would be back in their offices and do the reports. But as soon as they are available, we will try to communicate them.
It's showtime! コラボスタート!
Panginoon Diyos sa isang bagay, lagi niya naalala, may covenant with David, with covenant with Abraham and Jacob and Isaac and Jacob. And layo na nun. But God still remembers that because Opo. Okay. Eh, siyempre, bata, pagdating doon, laro na laro. Ang gulit. Tinitigan ko lang. Walang palo-palo. Titig lang.
Percent body, speed boots, an attack percent orb, and a break effect rope. Running double attack main stats will help you get her to 3200 attack, and the speed boots are necessary to give her tons of opportunities to break and use ultimate more frequently. The sub
theory suggests that the stone might be magnetic and interact with Earth's magnetic field. This interaction could potentially allow the stone to detect or measure magnetic anomalies.
Kompleto na kumbaga yung cast of characters kahapon. Si Kibuloy mismo, yung co-accused niya, yung ilan sa mga dating victim survivors namin at ilang mga
Maririnig pang tila pag-ugong ng hangin. Mag-aalas 10 kagabi nang maranasan ng malakas na buhos ng ulan sa ilang bayan sa probinsya. Magdamag ding nakabantay ang otoridad sa iba't ibang lugar.
Aptly named this site Saw Mountain due to the cut marks reminiscent of a saw, and they used it as a stone quarry beginning in the early Edo period from 1600.
Hindi ko sinasabing, wag magpakalate ka sa office dito, wag. Hindi ko sinasabi yun. Ang sinasabi ko, whatever you do, you give your best. Because you're doing it for the Lord. Pati pagluluto, tama ba? So always prepare for the best, di ba? Or for the worst in a sense. Handa mo doon. Tapos gano'n, di eto na. Nagpe-pray din kami. Pag-pray namin, nakita ko,
bagyong Christine na nakahanda ang aming departamento na mag-supply ng mga family food packs nationwide sa ating mga local government units na siya namang magdi-distribute sa ating mga
Christine, 50 mil pa lang ang kanilang napipick up ng iba't ibang mga local government units. Tulad kahapon, kausap ko si Governor ng acting Governor ng Albay, si Vice Governor.
And recorded their buildings as well as the constructive processes. But we find no mentions about the megalithic architecture anywhere. Remarkably, on some megalithic stone,
kaya praise God for them. Now, hindi lang yun. Ayaw ng Diyos masirang buhay natin. Bakit? Yun daw mga sumasamba sa Diyos-Diyosan. Yung iba ay silver and gold, the work of man's hand.
stone extraction processes, with millions of tons of rock being removed. For simple Bronze Age cultures equipped with primitive tools, such tasks would have been unfathomable.
Anak ko. Oh, wala pa. Relax. Di ba? Siyempre, ako nagpe-pray ako, being a board pastor myself, sa accountancy.
宴の星、やはり抜かりがないな。いた仕方ない。ベッドを借りるか。ごめん。
Most because of the storm. But I don't think the damage will result in the total closure of the port.
Thank you, sir.
Harley Valbuena, DZME, all the way in the back.
Your children. At gayon din kayong mga bata, kayong mga teenagers, don't ever look down on yourself. You can do something by the grace of God. Kahit sa mga parking, parang wow! Kasi isip natin, kung walang kotse, hindi tayo mayaman. Hindi totoo yun. Ang totoo, wala kang...
Like precision. There are massive stone walls resembling those found in Peru and Egypt, the blocks of which couldn't be moved even today with our modern technology.
Hindi naman siya alarming, kailangan alert lang tayo. Paliwanag natin yung close contact. So, ngayon magkakatabi tayo, di ba? Hindi to close contact. Pero pag bigla ko hinakap si Igan, ibang usapan yun. Bawal yun, pero close contact yun.
May tatanong ko sa inyo. So, nakikita niyo po ba itong mga letra na ito? Ang liliit, hindi natin makikita, no? Now, hanapin niyo halimbawa yung mga salita dyan na ito po yung anak ko after the exam. Talaga naman, nakikita ko yung pagod niya sa pag-aaral. Talagang, siyempre with all support in prayer and everything. Pagsundo ko, o kamusta? Mahirap, bata.
And kasi kailangan at least makapag-deploy tayo ng mga teams natin, our DANA teams natin, kasama ang DSWD at saka iba pang mga agencies dito. Ito yung assessment teams na
flow is not natural and that there's a vast subterranean hydrological system of channels. Additionally, locals state that the water beneath Ishi no Hoden
いずれ風に吹き落とされる
さあ存分に味わえ
Okay. There were two vessels in Batangas which hit our port. One was the Super Shuttle 2. It was at anchorage sometime during the night.
This theory is spurred by the sophistication of the tomb's design and the advanced masonry skills required to construct them, which some argue may surpass the capability.
Ay nalusong doon, whether intentional or not, tapos may sugat ka pa, papasok sa katawan mo yung mikrobyo.
Ayun. So, Doc, bukod sa mga sugat, may iba pa raw entry points ang mikrobyo.
Incisions by hand, it suggests that they extracted as little stone as possible while expending a significant amount of labor. Moreover, why would they create perfectly polished
rehabilitate yung kanilang mga tahanan at ari-arian na maaring napinsala. But right now, our mindset is still in the rescue and the relief operations, pero nasa menu namin yung financial assistance for early.
バット忍者さん、拙者からの忠告だ。安全のため、お主と仲間は早くこの夢の地から離れた方がいい。あれらの邪推が現れた。
site, the Oya Stone Quarry in Utsunomiya, we encounter a very similar quarry. In this quarry, we can once again see precise cuts and parallel machine